What's happening? Something is waking up. What sound does this make? Let's learn the alphabet sounds.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for car, car. D is for drum, drum. E is for egg, egg. F is for fan, fan. G is for grapes, grapes. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice, ice. J is for jam, jam. K is for key, key. L is for lamp, lamp. M is for moon, moon. N is for net, net. O is for orange, orange. P is for pen, pen. Q is for quilt, quilt. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for toy, toy. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for box, cuss, box. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zip, zip. Clap your hands, you did great. Sing again, don't be late. A to Z, hip, hip, hooray!
Like and subscribe for more fun learning songs. Bye bye, kids.